Guys, welcome back to another follow along. This time we got abs, and guess who we got here? A special guest appearance from the one and only
Excited.
Nona. Show them those abs, Nona. Ooh, we're about to kill those abs, right?
Yeah.
Welcome back to another follow along workout, guys. We got abs today, beginner abs. So if you're a beginner, there's a perfect routine for you. We got 8 workouts. Hope you guys are ready. So it should be nice, quick, and easy if you're short on time. So first workout. And the only break you're gonna get throughout this whole routine is when I'm explaining the workout, okay? Unless you need a longer break, feel free to press pause and then hit play. Okay, first workout, we got knee tucks. So you're gonna be laying down, you're gonna raise your feet, and you're gonna bring your knees in towards your face. That's 1, 2. Don't let your feet hit the ground because that'll make it so much easier. Unless you struggle doing this, then that's fine. But you wanna make sure your feet don't hit the ground otherwise. And we're gonna go to 12 reps. You're gonna feel the lower abs, Nona. You feel them? Mm-hmm. Just like this. It's perfect. All the way to 12. Good job. Okay, now we got side crunches. So we're gonna work out every area on the abs, lower abs, upper abs, side, everything. So you're gonna go on your side, and all you're gonna do is a crunch. 12 reps. You're gonna do 12 reps on this side, and then we're gonna do 12 reps on the other. When you're doing this, you should be feeling the side right here. And you gotta love that burn. When you feel the burn when you're doing abs, keep pushing. Let's go, Nona. You got it. You see that contraction? There you go. Okay, and then we got 12 on this side. Guys, if you guys can't keep doing the 12 straight, you need a little break. That's fine. Do like a 5-second break and then finish strong. But you don't want to take too many breaks when you're doing abs. Ooh, feel that burn? Nice. Okay, now we got planks for 30 seconds. You guys ready? Let's go. Okay, when you're doing planks, you wanna make sure your elbows are right below your shoulders. Your body is flat, you wanna keep that core tight. If you're a beginner, it might look like this where your hips are a little higher, but eventually you wanna work your way and have better form where your body is pretty much in a straight line. Keep that core tight. Let's go. And there, 30 seconds. Okay. Now we got crunches. This is gonna be for the upper part of the abs. So what you're gonna do here is you're just gonna gently place your hands right behind your head, and all you're gonna do is crunch. And you're gonna feel the upper part of the abs. 12 reps. Nice and controlled. Remember, this is not a race. I don't want you guys to go super fast or anything. All the way to 12. You're gonna be feeling it right here, guys. The upper part. Let's go, Nona, let's go. You got this. Okay, now we got leg raises. You're gonna do 12 reps on each leg. So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna be laying down, and all you're gonna do is pick up your leg 12 times. Don't let this leg hit the ground. The other leg that's on the ground, if this is too easy, what you could do is you could pick up the leg off the ground while you're doing it. If this is too hard, then do it how we're doing it. That's just the more advanced version. 12 reps. Ooh, you feel those lower abs, the upper thigh, the whole core working. There you go. Whew. Okay, so she's doing the left side, so she's gonna be feeling this side right here. The left part of the lower abs. the way to 12. Come on, guys, keep pushing. I know you feel the burn. Don't stop. There you go. That's 12. Okay, now we got toe touches. So with this one, you're gonna pick up your legs like this, and you're gonna try to touch your toes. If you can, that's fine. You're just making that movement like if you're trying to touch your toes. You're gonna feel the the upper abs when you're doing this. We got 12 reps. You see how she's doing it? As long as your upper back is picking up off the ground, you're doing it right. Good job, that's 12. Okay, now we got leg circles. We're almost done here, guys. You're gonna be on your butt, and all you're gonna do is movements like you're pedaling a bike, circles. So it's 1, 2, all the way to 10. Once you're done with 10, you're gonna go backwards, 10 reps. You're gonna be feeling your upper thighs, your lower abs, the whole core when you're doing this. Okay, and then backwards, 10 reps. Let's go, guys, let's go. I know you feel it. Push through, push through. Woo. Yes. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay, good job, guys. This is the last one. We're gonna finish it off with planks, 30 seconds, and that's it. All right, let's go. 30 seconds. We might do it a little longer, Nona, because Apple Watch wasn't working.
Oh no. Gotta save the best for last.
Come on, guys, finish strong. Keep that core tight. Keep it tight. Don't fall. You're almost there. You got 5 seconds. Come on, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. And there. Woo. We did it. Good job, guys. I'm proud of you guys. You guys showed up, full effort. Super proud. Proud of you too, Nona. Good job.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.